still say you hook the horn up to the brake through the headlight switch.
Perfect. You want me to ride with you to go over this? Yep. No, I'm fine. It might be easier for me to spot you when you get across. You're just, yep. Go straight. Probably going to have to back up a little bit and turn straight. Up, straight, go straight. Just bounce up this little hill here. Okay, now nice and soft. Nice and soft. You're about a foot away from you starting to go over. Okay, there you go. Just let her creep over. Okay, now give it gas. You gotta drive over it. See the nice center. Keep going.
Fine.
You're fine.
You're good, you're good.
You're fine. Go ahead.
There you go. Now look forward to where you're going to go up.
Holy cow.
Back it up, and you're going to have to drive it out. You can't crawl it. Right there, straight.
Momentum.
Right, ready, set, go.
There you go. Woohoo!
There you go, girl.
Nice.
Oh, you could have gotten straight.
Holy shit.
You did good.